This is a reactive dye fabric made of Bomull, Viscose, and linen. And we're going to pour some red wine on it. Half of it was treated, half of it was not treated, and we're going to pour a bit on there. Then we're actually going to work it in a little bit. Now you have to remember, Bomull is what they call tree wool. I guess it's German, it's tree wool, but it's really a cotton, almost like a cotton viscose. It's a cotton fabric. It just has the texture of wool. So now that we put that wine in there, we kind of rubbed it in a little bit to make it more realistic. We're going to try to soak it up. And you can see how much is coming right off on the left-hand side, which was treated with our protector. And on the right-hand side, it's soaked right in. You can see where it kind of made it all the way through. There's a couple little spots there on the left. We'll actually try to get those out with a special wet cleaner. We'll just put a little bit on there, just a few drops, and then work it in. We'll even try a spot over here on the big stain. You can see it kind of lightening it a little bit. That's what the product will do, but that's still going to have a big stain. So all the red is out of this area, all the wine, that's just where the fabric has to dry. And then this area here, you can see it coming clean a little bit, but it's permanently stained. So remember, New Dimension fabric protection.